Benidorm is absolutely rocking. This is the busiest I've ever seen Benidorm. And I've been here the last 3 years. First year was just after lockdown. Hey man, you're right. Enjoy yourself, yeah? Take care, mate. Second year, it's getting busier, but this year it seems to come back with an absolute buzz. It's absolutely lively in Benidorm. Loving Benidorm, loving Benidorm! He loves Benidorm, yes mate. They're loving Benidorm. Benidorm is absolutely mental this time of year. And I thought coming in October it might going to be a bit quieter, but it's not, it's absolutely mental. This is the busiest I've seen it. God knows what it'd be like in the summertime. Must be absolutely mental. Love this bar, Rockefellers, Tony Scott guy, brilliant. Pink, brilliant. Absolutely amazing place. Recommend Benidorm to anyone. Hey, my friend. Dean, travelling veteran. Travelling veteran.
Okay.
I do YouTube. This is my favourite bar in Benidorm. I've been to Benidorm lots of times and I love Benidorm. I love Rockefellers, love Tony Scott. Everything you do here. You take care, yeah?
Yeah.
Take care, my friend.
Okay.
Bye. Benidorm, everyone loves everyone. And you can just walk around with a wig on. The only thing is, with a wig on, all the girls want to nick it. If you're wearing boobs, guys, the ladies want to have it for the boobies. Look, red line, absolutely jam-packed. Look, I've never seen Benidorm so busy. Loads of tuck shops, you want to get your bits and pieces. We're not here for that, we're here for the nightlife. Rocky's pub, ram-packed, as most of the places are. Absolutely ram-packed. Brilliant. Another hen do. How big is that pizza?
I know, it's a big
No way! I've never seen a pizza that big.
I know.
What you got? And you've gone for a margarita?
No, it's half and half.
Is it?
Gravy sauce.
Wow. Who's the bride? Whose bride is the bride? How are you loving Benidorm?
I'm fucking loving Benidorm. Do you want one of my proud Demi's onion badges?
How to tell by
How know we
I'm alright, I don't want to bite. I don't want to bite. I've had some dinner. Careful, look, there's the cup. Yeah, mate, how's it going? You loving Benidorm, yeah?
Yeah.
Benidorm is mental, isn't it? How many times have you been in Benidorm? First time?
A couple of times, mate.
Benidorm is my favourite place in the world. I love it. Bars and everything is amazing. You're loving it, yeah?
Yeah, I love it, yeah.
That's it, mate. Loads of beers, loads of women, loads of mental. Fucking look at this, eh? Loving it. You take care, mate. Benidorm is absolutely mental. I'll be honest with you, I've never been this far down the strip, so it's going to be enlightening for me. This Broadway bar. It's okay, man.
Free shots.
What you do? Free shots in Broadway,
Free
yeah?
shots, Samoga,
Check out- Check out Broadway.
Broadway.
Broadway, 100%.
I got bar, Broadway.
Hey, listen, mate. Look at this. Look at this. Loving this.
Him now.
Yay.
Eyes at team Benidorm, I recognize. Chicken the boss.
Mate, loving it. Yeah, take care, mate. It's mental here. Absolutely mental. Look at this. Got the bumping Bronco. Don't do this if you got short skirts, ladies. Come on, yes. Loving it. There they go. Oh, they're going. No! Give it a go, guys. Check it out at the Broadway bar. Check it out, the Broadway bar. Bucking Bronco. Love it. This is a new bar. It's a railway bar. It's supposed to be quite good. Let's have a look. We've got loads of bars, left and right, wherever you want to go. Oh, can I put that on YouTube? Check out this. Look where you get. Oh, wow. Hello.
Come to Railway.
Best place to be, 100%. Go for it, guys. Look. You have a top night there. Look at these guys, they're loving it. Hey, you alright? You from here, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Why should people come
It's
to
a new
Railway?
place, man.
New this year, yeah?
Because in here is a casino.
Yeah, like a casino,
But now
yeah?
it's just like maybe 2 months. So it's a new one, yeah. My YouTube channel name is like a Benidorm Tourist Today, and first one is just Benidorm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Check out this guy, yeah?
Subscribe, please.
Check out this guy.
Yeah, man.
You take care, mate. Have a good night, yeah?
Yeah, good night.
Take care. Coming along, this is getting slightly quieter now. We've got a Dublin house, as you guessed. Bit of an Irish bar. White Star. This is where you'll see the 4 Beatles guys outside. If you've been to Benidorm, you know where this place is. Got Tiki City. I say it gets a little bit quieter down this side. Not as busy. More busier towards Morgan's Tavern end. Andy's bar. Simply the best. Another British bar. Hello. Hello. Give us a wave. Come on. You're on a holiday. Give us a wave. Thank you. Rowan's Return bar. Bit quiet. Flamingo bar. Not seen this before. Give us a little dance. Come on. Yes. Love it. And this is where it goes really quiet, down towards Old Town. Cheers, guys. Hope you loved the video. And it's good to see that Benidorm is back to what it used to be. Absolutely amazing. Thanks, guys. You take care. I'll see you next time.